Good morning, guys. So today is my day off. It is Tuesday. I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago. When I wake up, I'll just stay in bed and just like go through my phone and stuff. But today we are going to clean. I need to get some stuff done around the house. So I figured, why not show you guys, a day of cleaning. It's not gonna be a whole day. Hopefully it's just only a couple hours because I got stuff to do. I want to do another video for you guys, and then Zach is coming over later, so I want the house to be clean before he comes over. So yeah, let's I guess get started and get up, even though I don't want to. So I decided to start in the bathroom. When I was a kid, I had to do chores every Saturday with my sisters. And when I was living with my dad and my stepmom, they would have us do this every Saturday morning. And we would have to do our chores. And I would hate doing Saturday chores so much that I would like act brand new every Saturday. I would be sick, or I didn't feel good, or I forgot. Like, bro, I've been doing it for years, and how could I avoid Saturday chores? But whatever, I did it. I knew it was for a good reason. I know they were trying to teach us to be responsible and to take care of things that we're given. And, we were blessed with a home that we can clean. So I know that's why they did that. And also to prepare us in the future when we had our own places and our own spots, that we would take care of it as well. So yes, whatever. Now that I'm an adult and I have my own place, I know I have to take care of what I'm given. So I'm cleaning the bathroom right now. Look at these gloves. They're super cute. I got them at the 99-cent store. And I think they're just funny because they're so big. I'm sorry if I keep sniffing in this voiceover. My allergies are acting like all the way up, so yes, please bear with me, forgive me, whatever. I'm using Drano for the sink because I don't know why, but my sink has been like clogged lately and I'm not sure why. So I tried to get Drano. This Drano didn't even work, so I just feel like maybe it's the brand and I have to get like a stronger one, or get one of those like snake things. I don't even know, but I gotta talk to my roommate about that to figure out what we should do. But I'll probably should just get a new drainer or whatever. So yeah, and I'm cleaning off like the granite top. I don't even know if it's granite, whatever, with a special like spray, because my landlord said that you need to clean that type of like material a certain way, and I didn't even know until my landlord, and she's pretty nice. I like her. Not compared to my last landlord. She was so like whack. Like, this landlord, she's very chill. If we need something, she's pretty she responds pretty fast. And then my like last landlord, she sucked because she just wouldn't respond to us if we needed something, and if we did, it was like days, weeks later. And yeah, it's whatever. She was just like not there for us, and it was just like completely annoying. The whole like situation of that last house was so bad, but whatever. I'm in this new house. I've let it go. Obviously, maybe I haven't, but whatever. I'm letting it go. So I'm cleaning the bathroom, or the bathtub now. I hate cleaning so much, but I know I have to do it because you just have to. Like, you have to stay clean. You have to take care of what you're given. I was dying in that shower with all those chemicals. I had the door open too, but I gotta do what I gotta do. If I'm gonna pass out cleaning, I guess so. I'm gonna be clean. I'm not gonna be dirty in this house. I can't. I lately also too, I've been just like tired and lazy, so I haven't been cleaning like my share as much as my roommates, and I feel kind of bad. So this is why I'm also like cleaning too and taking the time to do our bathroom. I share my bathroom with one other roommate, and she's cool. Like, it's fine. Everything works out, and we're very respectful of each other's like things and stuff, and she doesn't like take forever showering, just things like that. So if you've had like experiences of bad roommates, just know that they're not all like that. I mean, they can be, but they're not all like that, and I've had my fair share of annoying roommates too, so you're good. I'm over here dying. This is my third time doing this voiceover, and I just want to go to bed, but it's fine. I gotta do it. I hate scrubbing the bathtub. I do. Like, look at that. But I know, like, everybody's, like, feet touches it, so you need to. I get grossed out about that. Oh, also my bathtub is doing the same thing, too, and I'm, like, 5,000% sure that our drain is clogged in the bathtub because of our hair. But whatever, moving on. I'm in the kitchen now because I wanted to save my room for last. Yeah, so I wasn't going to do a crazy deep clean in the kitchen because I know my roommate the other day, she already deep cleaned the kitchen. So I was just going to do the dishes that was left there last night because I cooked dinner with my roommate and I just did not feel like cleaning. And I told her just like, it's fine, I'm going to clean anyways, so just leave it. So yeah, I'm just going to clean or do the dishes, and then I'm going to clean the stove because I know I spilled a couple things on there. I hate doing dishes. I always hated it growing up, and I would have my sisters help me, of course, but still, I hated it. And usually, like, if I cook, like, I don't really like clean because especially if Zach is there, he'll offer to wash it for me, and I usually let him. So, I mean, I think it's pretty fair if I cook and he washes up after. I think that's a pretty good partnership. So, yeah. So now I'm cleaning the stove. Like I said, I only spilled a couple things, so I'm just going to wipe everything down. This part of the stove, like the middle part, burner, is my favorite part of, like, the whole kitchen because it's a griddle. And it's just very convenient. I ended up using it tonight for some turkey breakfast sausages. And it's really cool. And it's also really easy to clean, too. So that's what I really liked about it. And now I'm throwing out the trash and throwing away the recycling. In the recycling bin, I'm not just throwing out water bottles, whatever. Now I gotta do just one little load of laundry. Yeah, it's just some whites, so nothing too major. And now I'm onto my room. My room is a mess, and it's not like a horrible mess, like a disgusting kind of mess. It's just kind of a mess where it's just like everything's kind of everywhere because I've been too lazy. After, like, I use it, I don't put it back right away, and I know, like, I need to get into the habit of doing that just to make my own life easier. Please don't even judge me. I have so many water bottles in my room. I have a hydro flask. I don't know where it is. I actually kind of think it is in my, like, car somewhere. I just have to take the time to, like, look for it, wash it, and then, like, use it. So yeah, so I had to, like, finish up these water bottles real quick so I can just recycle them. And I keep a lot of my recycling under my vanity where my trash can is, just because it's out of sight and I don't have to walk over to the recycling bin to just drop it off. Yeah. And for some reason, I, like, accumulate a lot of trash in my room. It's not even, like, food trash. It's just, like, trash from doing my makeup, like, taking off my makeup, putting it on, just, like, cotton pads like that. I wanted to be done with cleaning, like, so bad. I was over it already. But, I mean, I put on music to pass the time, so, I mean, I guess that helps. Usually when I clean or if I'm cooking or doing something, I'll put on a show because I like just listening to it. Like, I love listening to music too, and it's usually, like, for me in the car mainly when I listen to music. But if I'm, like, doing stuff like this, I usually have, like, a movie on or a show that I've already seen, so I'm not, like, missing out on anything, and it just helps me pass the time. Are you guys, like, one of those people that, like, don't put away your clothes right away after you do the laundry? Because I'm definitely not that. Like, I applaud people who do that. They have their lives together. I will like let clothes just sit in my hamper even though they're clean, not fold them. So I'm trying to get in the habit of like folding them and then putting them away. Sometimes if I'm like folded, I don't even put it away. Like I'll just put it on the side of my bed, and just when I'm ready to put it away, I'll put it away. Now I'm cleaning up my vanity. You see how a mess it is. I always do my makeup and don't put stuff back. And so I know I should get into the habit of just doing that to make my life easier. But when you're in a hurry, like I'm just not doing all that. I'm just not. Usually, like, I take a lot of breaks when I'm cleaning. Like, I'll go on my phone and just end up on TikTok. But the main motivator for me was Zach was coming over, and I needed to get one more video before he came. So, yeah. And now I'm doing my bed. I know I should get into the habit of making my bed every morning. I just don't. But whatever. I applaud people that do that because that's a very good and healthy habit. Putting away more clothes that I was too lazy initially to put away. I really don't know if you guys are gonna like this video. I just found out that this is like a thing, so I hope you guys like. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys do. Maybe I can do something like this again. And I'm all done. This is my room all cleaned up and organized. And the kitchen. You know your room is not completely clean if the MacBook's not there and the candle's not there. This is the bathroom. All done. Thanks guys for watching.